Ever wondered how affiliate marketing can turn into a full-time income stream? Or why so many entrepreneurs trust Wealthy Affiliate as their go-to platform? Well, in this video, we'll break down exactly why Wealthy Affiliate stands out, what makes it so powerful, and how you can use it to build a thriving online business, even if you're a total beginner. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to getting started with affiliate marketing the right way. Before we dive into the features, let's quickly cover what Wealthy Affiliate actually is. It's an all-in-one affiliate marketing platform that provides training, tools, hosting, and a supportive community. Everything you need to succeed online. Founded in 2005, it has helped millions of marketers build profitable websites and online businesses. But what really makes it special? Let's find out. One of the biggest challenges in affiliate marketing is knowing where to start. That's where Wealthy Affiliate shines. Their online entrepreneur certification and affiliate bootcamp are designed for absolute beginners and advanced marketers alike. You'll learn how to choose the right niche, how to build a professional website, how to drive organic traffic using SEO, and how to monetize your content with affiliate programs. And the best part? Everything is taught through easy-to-follow step-by-step lessons. Okay, so you've got the knowledge, but what about the tools? Wealthy Affiliate gives you a complete website building suite including a website builder powered by WordPress, blazing fast hosting with security and daily backups, and SEO tools to help rank your site on Google. Most platforms charge hundreds of dollars just for hosting and SEO tools, but Wealthy Affiliate bundles it all in one affordable package. Want to dominate search engines? You'll love Jaxi, Wealthy Affiliate's built-in keyword research tool. With Jaxi, you can find low-competition, high-traffic keywords, analyze rank potential in seconds, and track your website rankings over time. This alone saves you hours of research and boosts your chances of ranking high on Google, which means more free traffic to your site. Affiliate marketing can feel overwhelming, but at Wealthy Affiliate, you're never alone. With over 2 million active members, you'll get 24/7 live chat and discussion forums, direct access to expert coaches and successful marketers, and a supportive peer network to ask questions and share ideas. Many people say this community aspect alone is worth the membership. Now here's something really cool. Wealthy Affiliate has its own affiliate program. That means you can earn commissions by referring others, promote a high-converting reputable platform, and build recurring passive income. Plus, with no selling required, you just focus on helping others succeed, and the commissions roll in. Okay, so how much does this all cost? Wealthy Affiliate offers a free starter plan where you can access beginner training, build a free website, and explore the community. But to unlock premium features like advanced training, unlimited hosting, and Jaxi Pro, you can upgrade to the Premium or Premium Plus plan. And compared to other platforms charging over $100 per month, Wealthy Affiliate is super affordable for everything it offers. So let's recap why Wealthy Affiliate is the top affiliate marketing platform, world-class training that works, all-in-one website and SEO tools, powerful keyword research with Jaxi, a massive support network, and a built-in affiliate program for passive income. If you're serious about building a successful online business, this is where you want to be. And guess what? You can get started right now for free. Click the link below to sign up and start your affiliate marketing journey today.